Hi everyone, I am R.V. Kiran, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss a topic of parabola and its construction method, rectangle method in engineering drawing. So, there are different types of curves in conic sections, that is ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. So, we have already discussed about the ellipse and its construction methods in the previous lectures, and the next type of curve is parabola, which is an open curve compared to the ellipse. So ellipse is an closed curve, but parabola is a open curve. So there are different types of methods that are used to obtain parabola, and the first method is rectangle method. So this is the rectangle method, and the question is as given below. Construct a parabola having a base of length 100 mm and height 70 mm long by using rectangle method. So it can also be called as oblong method also. So the same method is used in the construction of ellipse also. So there we called it as directly oblong method, but here it is called as rectangle method, and it is also called as oblong method also. So there is same type of construction is there from the ellipse. So first of all, we are going to take the length as 100 mm and height as 70 mm long to construct a rectangle first. So this is the first step. So with the length of 100 mm and height of 70 mm, I have constructed a rectangle. So this is the height of the rectangle, and it can be divided into two equal parts. So that is 35 mm on the left side and 35 mm on the right side, and the vertical line is divided into equal number of parts here. So and the horizontal line also divided into same number of equal parts. I have divided the vertical line into 6 equal parts, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and horizontal line also divided into same number of equal parts here. So I have considering same number of equal parts but same number of equal lengths, not some same number of equal lengths, only number of equal parts only. So if we have divided the vertical line into 5 number of equal parts, we want to divide the same as to the horizontal line, that is 5 equal parts to the horizontal line also. So same number of equal parts have been divided. Then after dividing the vertical and base into same number of equal parts, join the vertical 1 2 3 4 5 6 to the center of the top center of the rectangle. So we are joining that to the top center of the rectangle from the all vertical points, that is height of the vertical points. So we have joined there, and divide the same number of equal parts to the right side part also, right side half also we have divided the same number of equal parts into, so that is 6. So 6 parts on the vertical side and 6 parts on the horizontal side. and join these points, join the vertical points to the top of the center of the rectangle. So after joining these, from horizontal points intersect the vertical points there. So vertical join points. So 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, and 5 to 5. So we have joined all the horizontal points to the vertical section points and intersected at a points there. So there we have intersected these points there, and similarly join all these right side elements also. Join these all right side parts into the vertical section. The same process have been done to the right side part also. There we have obtained the intersection points, which is indicated in the green color. So these are the points obtained from the intersection points of both horizontal and vertical lines. Then draw a freehand curve joining all these points. So joining all these points, draw a freehand curve. Thus we have obtained a parabola there by using rectangle method. So this is the basic process of constructing a parabola by using this rectangle method. So first of all, we have to take the length as horizontal line and height as the vertical line, and then divide the rectangle into two parts. So half of on the left side, half on the right side, and divide the vertical lines into same number of equal parts. Here in this problem I have taken it as 6 number of equal parts. So the same number of equal parts have been divided to the horizontal line also on the left side and right side. 6 is the midpoint of the rectangle, that is the 6 is the midpoint of the vertical line. And after the division of equal parts in vertical as well as horizontal sections, then join all the vertical points, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6, which is visible as dark maroon color. These points have been joined to the top of the center of rectangle center. So top center of the rectangle we have to join all these points, which is visible in the yellow color, and then join all the intersect all the horizontal points to the vertical points. Then we have obtained intersection points there. Then we have obtained a intersection points there, and by joining all these points draw a freehand curve. Thus we have obtained a parabola there. There we have obtained a parabola which is having a base of length 100 mm and height 70 mm long. So this is by using rectangle method, and this is the basic procedure for construction of the parabola by using rectangle method. So first step is draw rectangle of above size, that is 100 mm length and 70 mm height, and divide it into two vertical parts. So we have divided it. Consider left part for construction and divide height and length in equal number of parts and name those parts as 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this problem I have taken it as 6 equal parts. You may take an of your own choice, that is 4 5 6 7, your own choice. Join vertical 1 2 3 4 5 6 to the top center of the rectangle. So we have joined the top center of rectangle with these vertical points. Similarly, draw the upward vertical lines from horizontal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and wherever these lines intersect previously drawn inclined lines in sequence, mark those points and further join in smooth possible curve. So then join these curves through the smooth possible curve by using freehand construction. So we are not taking any scale or compass here. We are we are joining these points with our freehand only. So by using pencil with our hand, we are joining these all points. Then repeat the construction on the right side rectangle also. So first of all, we have divided the rectangle into two sections, divided the rectangle into two sections. So first I am constructing it in the right side and then going to it into the right side also. First of all, I am constructing the left side and then going to the right side also. Then join all in sequence, and this locus is called parabola. So this open curve is called parabola here. So this is the construction of procedure construction for the parabola. Thank you.